Hello everyone, my name is Amy. I'm sharing different ESL companies. So if you're looking for a home-based teaching job, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be sharing to you why I left 51 Talk. Well, I didn't leave 51 Talk, but um, why I resigned from 51 Talk. Did I resign? But yeah, let's say why I left 51 Talk. It's because my account was locked, and there are some reasons why your account will be locked. And it's not just once, but many times. And that was during when I gave birth, during my infant stage baby. So, yeah, this is how it looks like when you'll have the account in 51 Talk. So, we call this one my page or my portal. So yeah, here. So here, this one, this is where you can refer on promoting like um, getting higher rate every 3 months. So may mga kwan dyan. Ito, mga requirements. In 3 months, you should have regular students, fixed peak hours, yung mga yan. If you achieve those, yung mga yan, tataas yung rate mo. If na-violate mo naman yan, bababa yung rate mo. Like me, my rate before is 49. Pero ngayon, 42 to 44. Kasi for peak hours, it's 44. Yan, 42 I guess. Yan, bumaba siya. So, pag bababa yan, red yan. And so, I will be sharing to you on the next video why I came back to 51 Talk. That's why it's green because I just came back. It's my fifth day today. Yeah, it's my fifth day. So, here. Ito yung based or basihan ng absences nyo or other warning. But late and leaving early the class. Kasi yung class nyo, once na nag-enter kayo, it's like pulfish. So it is already timed. Uh, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-stop. So for example, your class is 6 o'clock a.m. to 6:25 a.m. So hindi mo siya pwedeng i-move or i-move na you entered 6:05 and then you will finish at 6:30. No. 6 o'clock is 6 o'clock. So if you entered 6:01, you're already considered late. So what will happen itong yellow na to, you will have that will move here and then until ma-reach mo yung SA review. Once na na-reach mo yung SA review, your page or this one will be locked. That means you cannot open any slot. Kahit i-click nyo siya, hindi mo siya ma-open. Yon. So that happened to me many times during my pregnancy, during when I gave birth. Yeah. So once na na-reach mo yan, you need to attend a coaching session. So I had many coaching session that time, like every 2 weeks. Yon. So nung last na nag-coach na ako, my account is already under review to the manager, I guess, in China. So the coach told me that I need to wait for the approval because the manager in China will check my performance. So yun, I waited but pag ganun daw kasi parang matagal wala na yung account mo. So ganun kasi in 51 Talk medyo matagal if it comes to if it's talking about the from China kasi nga maybe it's malayo and ang dami nilang nire-review. So ayun that was December 2024 and it's been 8 months because now it's August 2025. February, March, April, May. Yeah, 8 months. Tsaka ako nakabalik. But I didn't receive any approval. I didn't receive any reviews yet. So, yeah. So that one, after that, I left 51Talk, so I deleted my account. I unsubscribed to their email. And then, as you can see, I applied many ESL jobs, but yeah, walang nagtagal sa akin. So, that's the reason why I left 51Talk. It's not because of the penalty. It's not because of the managers or the leaders. It's not because of the platform. It's just because of my absences. So yung kwan na mismo ang nag-give up. Yeah. So on my next video, on the other one, I will make a video why I came back to 51Talk. So thank you so much. Please watch the other video for a clarification for those who are asking. Thank you, and I'll see you then. Goodbye.